To all of you. Now, I would like to make a presentation on loan charge creation project. That is a loan charge creation module, which has won this gold award during the recently held national e-governance. So why this loan charge creation module? When farmers are getting loans every year, year after year, bogus and fake patadars used to get the crop loans earlier, causing heavy exchequer and also leading to the law and order problems in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now a paradigm shift has been noticed from reactive phase to proactive phase. So now a terminology has come. It is nothing but an acronym, GLEF, getting loan in easier and a faster manner. GLEF. And this is the different steps in this presentation. The loan charge creation project was developed successfully and implemented in the state of Andhra Pradesh to curtail the bogus, fake patadas and also multiple loans on agricultural lands. Online real-time access of details regarding the farmer's name, extent, crop zone, charges, e-Patadar passbook verification, location of parcels provided to the banks, along with the facility to create or release the loan charge against a survey number. Most of the financial institutions like banks, PSES and DCCBs, and also our state 76 lakh farmers are also utilizing this project in a most successful manner. It is a multi-dimensional project. Registration database has also been integrated with this one. And so these are the objectives. Creation of the loan database is one, and continuous updation of loan and land database. There are two databases, loan and land. And the providing farmer, land and crop details to the banks, and then integration of three departments, basically survey, land, that is revenue, and also registration. And these are the challenges we have faced. How to identify a genuine patadar? Then how to eradicate the bogus loans? Fake patadar passbooks, multiple loans on the same land, and sanctioning loans for different crops, and also impersonation, bogus persons in getting the loans, and multiple registrations. And these are the problems faced by different stakeholders. One is the problems faced by the bankers, the no access for the land records, identification of genuine patadar, impersonation, no online access, no connectivity between the branches and even the banks, genuinity of the passbooks, and verification of crop zone, identification of the location of the land. So these are the problems faced by the bankers. But what about the government? The loss of exchequer, and the second one is the multiple loans on the same land, and the third one is the fake patadar passbooks and no proper information about the loans, transparency and accountability. Then problems faced by the farmers. No due certificate has to be produced, roaming around the offices for various certificates, and then submission of adangal, record of rights 1B, and also passbook copies. Then loans were issued to third parties without the notice of the actual patadar. Next. So these are the re-engineering methodologies we have adopted. This is the re-engineering process, business technologies. Identification of genuine patadar, bogus loans and impersonation. Aadhaar seeding is the best one. We are just the first and the best state in the country. 95% coverage integrated with Aadhaar, and the access and verification of crop zone, e-crop booking, the electronic crop booking, so which has got the place in the Prime Minister's Innovations book, which is going to be released on the April 21st of 2017 on the Civil Servants Day. The first state in the country that also the banker can view the crop details like the crop name, image, cultivated extent, water source and expected yield. Then the location of land parcels, the geo coordinates, lat longs. By using these tabs, e-crop application has been, perhaps it was also the first state in the country. and we have developed this e-crop tab also, and then bogus and fake Patadar passbooks, e-Patadar, electronic Patadar passbooks with 13 security features, which is an unbeatable, inimitable and impeccable thing in this country. The first state in the country, the identification of the genuine passbooks with 13 security features. Next. So bogus and multiple loans, integration of the land records data with the bankers, and updation of land records data. MeBhoomi portal has been developed. This is a wonderful innovative change. MeBhoomi means your land. Your land. That's a website where 3.74 crore land records data has been accessed by the state of Andhra Pradesh. And 1.74 crore people has viewed this portal, because I have land in one district, I am residing in another district, so I can access into that website easily. And creation of loan database and integration of registration, revenue and land records, loan charge creation module has been developed. This was the first state. Earlier also I have given the presentation. The country wants to adopt in almost all the 29 states about this project. Next. So 76 lakh patadars have been integrated. Integration by means of bio and demographic, both bio and demographic. Bankers can identify the genuine patadar. So this is nothing but the procedure. Tahsildar collects the Aadhaar number, verifies the Aadhaar details with State Resident Data Hub, and then proceed with Aadhaar seeding to patadar details in the webland if Aadhaar number matches. Then these are the benefits to the government: identification of genuine patadar, identification of beneficiaries for government schemes like crop subsidy, crop insurance, seeds and other commodity, and transfer the benefits directly to the bank account of the farmer, implementing the land reforms, ROR 1B information, statewide land details, revenue details, and benefits to the farmers. It's an identity proof for obtaining the loans, crop subsidy, crop insurance, seeds, accurate benefits in the case of floods and natural calamities. And e-crop booking, already I discussed at length about this one. The crop name, crop image, cultivated extent, water source, water tax demand, expected yield, everything will be captured. And 2.98 crore survey numbers have been captured so far in this tab. And auto transfer of all the crop details to the webland, which is the phenomenal change in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Webland consists of both Adangal and 1B according to ROR. And then evidence in the case of the crop damage and the crop insurance, crop-wise detailed and abstract reports, irrigation source-wise reports, ground truth, accurate reports, GPS, crop pattern, land use and land cover. So this is nothing but the geotagging of a land parcel, standing crop photograph and GPS coordinates captured with e-crop app. And this is not but the patadar wise land details, crop zone and loaning patterns, loaning details also have been captured. And this is nothing but the location of a geotagged field for a banker. So e-Patadar passbook system, already I discussed with you, all of you, about the 13 security features. It is a digitally signed document. So electronically signed document showing the possession and ownership. The applicant applies through MeSeva, which is the front end. Applications get forwarded to webland. Tahsildar verifies the webland, approves the mutation, request forwarded to printer, printing of e-Patadar passbook with security features, and delivery to the applicant address, SMS alerts at each stage. This is the unique feature of this electronic part. So these are the 13 high security features: 3-layer hologram, signatures, Gilochi design, AP government logo, 2-color Gilochis, micro lettering, security currency thread, variable data, void feature and micro text. These are the high text features, high security features. And loan charge creation mode was rolled out entirely. Facility given to the financial institutions. 6,000 branches, bank branches are utilizing this project in our state. 6,000. Logins and other credentials provided. Bankers can verify the farmer, land and crop details. Bankers can view the history of loans. Bankers can create or release the charge online real-time basis. So there are the two levels. Maker is the bank clerk and checker is the bank manager. That's it. Maker. Farmer approaches the bank for acquiring loan, identifying the farmer, view the loan history, verify the land records, verify the crop particulars, enter the loan details, process the charge request, recommends for loan sanction. Then the bank manager, level 2, verifies the charge data entered by the maker, process the request, approve the charge, loan will be issued. It's the most simplest thing. And this is the earlier and new system difference. Patadar has to submit hard copy, not necessary in the LCCM. Verify the adangal details in the LCCM. Bankers, for endorsement details, it has to be sent to the Tahsildar in Form 6A. Whereas bankers will directly view that one and then entered in the loan charge website. For Patadar has to submit a no due certificate. If it exceeds 25,000 rupees, no documents required now. No historical data of loan details. Historical data is available in the LCCM. If any error found in the Patadar, the loan is not sanctioned until and unless it is updated by concerned Tahsildar. Banker raises update request, whereas Tahsildar update these records accordingly in the LCCM. So these are the benefits to the government. Huge financial savings, duplicity is minimized, Aadhaar enabled service for other service like seed and the fertilizer distribution, fake Patadar passbooks detected, and criminal cases have been reduced on this aspect, and increased transparency and accountability. G2C and G2G also have been developed. Benefits to the farmers. Farmers need not produce any land related document. Simply he just walk in into the bank and then collect the loan. And the benefits can be extended to agriculture sector, input subsidy and insurance. Farmers get loans faster. Farmers will have the facility to see the status, can view the loans transactions in the public website. And benefits to the banker: easy access, facility to create and release the charges, facility to view the current and history of loans, provision to lodge grievances, easy KYC, create charge for licensed cultivators also, bank-wise, district-wise, branch-wise, MIS monitoring reports also been developed. And following amendments: ROR 1B is criteria electronically maintained to sanction loans and registration. All credit agencies enter all the loan details in loan charge creation module. No credit agency shall insist for production of title deed manually. And this is the 1B, and it has to be captured in the LCCM. And this is electronical Patadar passbook verification for the banker's view. 1B is one thing, and second one is electronically developed Patadar passbook. This is nothing but a clerk login interface where the charge creation has to be. How to prepare the charge creation? Making the Patadar name, occupant name, and borrower name, and then branch, account number, other details will be captured like this. And this is loan history on land. And what is the history of different banks, how much loan he has availed. This loan history is the crucial factor for determining the loan component also. And this is manager login interface, and this is the grievance mechanism. Any Patadar has to add another survey number, then there is a provision addition of survey number and addition of Khata number and addition of survey number also. That's also grievance mechanism also can be developed and seen in this module. And MIS reports. One is the charge creation approval list, and the second one is the charge approved copy generated through how the charge has been approved through online. And this is CM dashboard. This has got award. Our tech savvy CM has got the award on the online dashboard. Whatever the transactions happen, whatever the person's getting the loans and public distribution system or pension, automatically it will be displayed on the screen of the Honorable Chief Minister. This is the core dashboard. It's a wonderful, phenomenal thing. It's tangible and visible. And this is different bank-wise loan charge status report. And this is district-wise loan charge status report. You can see this one. Total loans 2015 and 16. 17 lakh loans in 2015 Kharif. 2016 Kharif it's only 11 lakhs. So all the bogus have been totally fake have been eliminated. These just see the total survey numbers also. 57 lakh survey numbers. Only 39 lakhs are genuine. And then this is the total farmers. The 17 lakhs 75,000 farmers. Now it's around 12 lakhs. Leaving a balance of 5 lakh bogus ones. And then this is total extent, and this is the amount in crores. And based on that we have developed one more module. It's an interlinked one. E-seed, electronic seed. Based on this module, 5 counters have been opened in each and every mandal. Acceptance of farmer's Aadhaar, display of webland details, and the selection of family member in case self not present, fingerprint or iris biometric device. If it is successful, coupon will be generated. Go to the godown, QR scanning, that is quick response scanning, and cash collection, stock delivery to the farmer. This is a wonderful phenomenon, electronic seed. All the bogus have been eliminated, and there is no law and order problem, there is no queue. So these are the impact on the administrative setup. And integration of webland, loan land, this loan data, card means computer aided registration department in our state of Andhra Pradesh. Registration department is using this software. Mutations through manual process totally stopped. Verification of land and loan details before initiation of registration by the registration. Automatic transfer of registered documents to webland for mutation. And online transfer of loan data to loan charge module. Land hub, we have developed 3 hubs. One is the land hub, second one is the people hub, and third one is the bank hub. All the hubs are coming in e-Pragati, electronic Pragati, where there is a platform. It consists of 33 departments with 745 services in 4 categories: government to citizen, government to business, government to enterprise, government to government. All the 4 categories have been developed. So this is one thing.